Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So first of all, I'll show you the fastest way, and secondly, another way, which is a little bit longer but still reliable. So the first option is to open the dialer and here enter a special code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so just tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. So open the settings. Here we need to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.